So I'm going to do my 40 sit-ups, and I'm in normal attire. So let's see what tomorrow brings. Now, here we go. 40 sit-ups. 36, 37, 38. 27 and oh my goodness, I'm off to do my part-time job to go and help Santa. But before I do, I'm off to do my first lot of 40 sit-ups. Thank you for joining me. Right, here we go, 40 sit-ups. 1, 39, 40 sit-ups. There you go. Now I'm off to go and help Santa. Yay! Day 28, 40 sit-ups. And I'm all nice and sparkly with a bit of festive magic. So hopefully it's going to help me do my 40 sit-ups. Lost count, I think that's
20.
21, 36, am I still sparkling? 37, 38, 39, and 40, here we go, day 29. 40 sit-ups with Polly, who will be supervising. Day 30, and I'm going to jingle all the way. 40 sit-ups.